In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a passkey in PayPal. Passkeys let you sign in securely without typing a password, using your device's built-in authentication like Face ID, Touch ID, Windows Hello, or your phone's screen lock. They're fast, resistant to phishing, and easy to manage. I'll walk you through the exact clicks so you can set one up in just a couple of minutes. First, open PayPal in a supported browser and sign in to your account. Passkeys work best on up-to-date versions of Chrome, Safari, Edge, and most modern mobile browsers. If you're on a shared computer, make sure you're using your own profile, since the passkey will be tied to your device or your platform's password manager. Next, click Settings. You'll find the gear icon near the top of the page after you sign in. This is where you control account preferences and login tools. Inside Settings, choose the Security tab. This area contains options like two-factor authentication, password updates, and passkeys. Think of it as the command center for how you sign in. Now, select Passkeys. If you don't immediately see it, make sure your browser is current and that you're not in private browsing mode, which can sometimes hide or limit passkey features. You should land on a page that explains what passkeys are and shows any you've already added. Click Manage. This opens the management page where you can add new passkeys or review existing ones. You may be asked to confirm your identity here, which is normal, and helps protect your account. Then click Add Passkey. Your browser or device will prompt you to create the passkey. Follow the on-screen instructions to choose your authenticator. On a phone, you'll typically use your screen lock, Face ID, or fingerprint. On a computer, you might use Touch ID, Windows Hello, or a built-in password manager. Approve the prompt and let your device finish creating the passkey. If you're asked whether to save it to your platform's password manager, that's helpful because it allows the passkey to sync across your signed-in devices, like via iCloud Keychain or your Google account. Once added, you should see the new passkey listed under Manage. That's your confirmation it worked. Going forward, when you sign into PayPal, you can choose to use a passkey and simply authenticate with your device. No password needed. If you ever change devices, you can come back to this page to remove an old passkey or add a new one. If the option doesn't appear, update your browser, ensure your device has a screen lock enabled, and try again on a non-incognito window. That's it. You've successfully added a passkey in PayPal.